this video lecture, I will explain you complete details about the channel memberships that I am providing for our subscribers. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. So previously I was provided some levels in the channel memberships which is related to silver level as well as the gold level and diamond level. So in that levels I was provided some of the services in my previous session. But from now I will provide these services only for the software installation purpose. Okay, so initially if you take any one of the memberships for the software installation purpose, so initially I will share you the link for downloading the software from the Google. Then after that I will explain you how to install that particular software by using Google Meet application or AnyDesk application or any other PC application. So if you really want the software installation, so take any one of the memberships from my channel, which is available in my channel from the join button. So basically I am providing 3 types of the memberships in my channel. So if you click on my channel page, it will be consisting of the join button here like this. If you click on this join button, it will be consisting of the 3 types of the memberships. One is related to silver level, and second one is related to gold level, and third one is related to diamond level. So in the silver level, the cost is approximately 119 rupees, gold level is 159 rupees, and diamond level is 599 rupees. Okay, so these are the 3 levels that I am providing. So for the silver level people, I am providing some benefits. For gold level people, I am providing some benefits. Again, for the diamond level people, I am providing some benefits. Okay, now I will explain you what are the benefits that I am providing if you become the member of my channel. Okay. So firstly I will explain you for the silver level, which is consisting of approximately 199 rupees. So you can take from the Google join button itself. Okay, so if you take this silver level memberships, I will provide you how to download the one software which is related to any one of the software like AutoCAD or Stat Pro or eTabs with detailing or SAP Revert or 3ds Max or Primavera. So if you can select any one of the software, then after that I will share you the download link for that particular software. You have to download that file. After downloading process is completed, I will share you the Google Meet link, so that you have to join that Google Meet link with your laptop, so that I will control your monitor, or else you can directly control your monitor with the help of my instructions. You can install that particular software with lifetime access. Okay, so this is a silver level. Only one software installation is provided for the silver level. The people who are taking the silver level, so you can select initially the software, any one of the software like AutoCAD or Stat Pro. After selecting that particular software, after taking the membership, you have to select that software. So from that software itself, I will share you the download link. Then after that I will install that particular software. After taking the memberships, you have to text me to my number. It will be available on the last slide of this PPT. So you can collect that number, or else you have my mail ID civilengineeringbyshravan@gmail.com. You can text me to that mail. Okay, so I will provide that mobile number so that you can directly text to my WhatsApp only. Okay, don't call to that number. So if I am busy, I will give you the replies within 1 or 2 hours for that particular number. Okay, so you have to send that screenshot of the payment, and you have to send the complete name that is displaying on your respected membership. Okay, so this is the services which I am providing for the silver level purpose. Okay, now I will explain you for the gold level. Okay, so for gold level, I will install any one of the 3 softwares. Okay, after taking your gold level membership, if you send me the screenshot of that particular payment process, so that I will share you any one of your selected 3 softwares link, so that you can able to download that particular software with the help of that link. Then after that I will install your particular 3 softwares in your personal PCs. Okay, so any one of the 3 softwares I will install, and the personal contact number is provided to clarify your doubts. And this is the services which is related to gold level. And the softwares are available are AutoCAD, Stat Pro, eTabs with detailing, SAP software, Revert software, 3ds Max, and Primavera. So most of the people are asking me how to download and install the CSI detailing version software. If you really want that only the detailing version software eTabs, better to go with silver level only. Why? Because it is having 119 rupees only. If you want only that one particular software, you can take that one. Otherwise, if you need some more softwares like Revert or STAD or eTabs with detailing or SAP, you have to go with this gold level membership. And last one is related to diamond level membership. The people who are belongs to this diamond level membership, I will provide you 5 softwares installation. Okay, so not 3 softwares here, 5 software installation, 5 or 6 software. This total softwares will be installed for a diamond level people who are taking 599. I will provide you that links which is related to AutoCAD, StatPro, eTabs, SAP, Revert, 3ds Max and Primavera. I will share you the links. After sharing the link, I will download, I will install your softwares in your personal PCs, and personal contact number is provided to clarify your doubts. So this is the services which is providing for the diamond level membership. So one more thing, the people who are taken already my memberships in last 2 months or 3 months, please once send me your screenshot and your name to my WhatsApp. If you need the installation of this software, you can directly text me so that I will install your software in your personal PCs. Okay, don't bother about the people those who are taking the memberships in last 2 or 3 months. Okay, so you can directly send me that screenshot so that I will recognize your name in my channel memberships, so that you can able to get these softwares links. Okay, and finally we are providing the academic projects also for Diploma, B.Tech, M.Tech people along with paper publication. For more information about the titles and concepts and some information regarding this memberships or else projects, you can text me to my WhatsApp number which is available here in the screen. You can see here 99033277. You can once text me to that mail for any queries, and otherwise you can directly text to my mail civilengineeringbyshravan@gmail.com for more information. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. For more details, contact us at 9908332747 WhatsApp only. Okay, don't call to that number, and you can text me to your queries to my WhatsApp, or else you can text me your queries to my mail. Okay, so this is the complete explanation details about the channel memberships which I am providing for the people. So just I am going with only the installation purpose of your software in your personal PCs for the members. Okay, so if you have any queries about this video, please try to text me questions in the below comment box so that I will give you the answer for that questions. And if you need any guidance regarding the civil engineering, once text to my personal number or email so that I will give you the reply for that number. Thank you.